Alright, Georgia Sports Cards here. We are doing first three boxes of case here for Scott, pk1919. Goodwin Champions. Good luck, man. Good luck, good luck. What's up, Andrew? I will be at Frankenson's catching some Pokemon. With everybody else there. Gouty. Make sure you grab a lure so we can grab some good stuff. White canvas. Erica Enders. Well, it's stop. It's Pokey Stop. So if anybody wants to use a lure there, it'll help everybody out. Michael Jordan. But it should have been Jim. Oh, come on. Big number. High number. Homo sapien one time. That is not a Homo sapien. Kind of looks like a tiger. Smilodon. That is $2.59. Not bad. $2.59. They're basically just manufactured patches. Upper Deck's been doing it for a while now. But there's quite a few people that collect a set. I think of 100. Tommy Jones. So the higher number you go, the more short printed it is. So I think card number 300 sold for $1,200. I think it's like $1,100 or $1,200. Christy Rampone. Put on a card. So the Homo sapien, which I think is number 300. I mean, numbered 300 on the... Ooh, let's see what this one is. Chalicotherium. This one is number 226, not as high. 226. Autograph. John Moonlight. Rugby player. John Moonlight. Camille LeBlanc Bassinet. We got Damian Warner. Lady Luck back to 25. Damian Warner to 25. Aito Iguchi. Robert Streb. Justin Thomas. Whoa. That flew everywhere. How about Tom Glavine and a bunch of base? EGS 2 base. Gowdy, Davy Crockett. That is Tom Glavine, mini. Kalen Kyle, mini. Gowdy, Hasek. I think it looks like there's like one per inner on him, 2 manufactured. Mara Lemieux. Because we did the one yesterday, it seems like there's one per inner where you're getting 2. And Troy Merritt's. Oh, I gotta do one thing really quick. Get into your next box. And it looks like we got 3 more teams taking flawless. All right, good luck, Scott. Box number 2. Sorry about that, man. Box number 2. Daniel Berger. Burgers don't sound good today, and they did sound good yesterday. I think because I had a burger. Paige Von Zantz. Michael Smolin. Robbie Madison. Gowdy, Reisman, Alley. Erica Enders, mini. Froze? Froze. I'll stop here. It looks like on the live feed, it looks like they're frozen up there. Wait till the feed fixes itself. I'm going to refresh on the live feed. Notice I was lagging behind a little bit. Just let me know when you're back there, Scott. You can see everything. If you refresh, guys, it looks like everything's good. There were no hits. Gowdy, Reisman, Smolin, Von Zant on the inserts, and your last couple minis. Enders, Madison, and Berger. No hits yet. It looks like on my live feed too. It's like really choppy. Gowdy Newton. I'm not sure if like the whole site is like that or what. LeBron James. Mini Ali Reisman. Looks like it's again Sanders, everything on the right hand side. Gowdy, King, Larry. Looks like it's fine right now. White canvas, Michael Smolin. Phil Mack. Mem card, Joe Kovacs. Kovacs, Mem. Madison. Just pick a side. I heard the left side's really good. Lindsey Vaughn. Whoever gets the most hits, I'll pick right side. Gowdy Woods. Hey, if you guys want to grab some more teams in Flawless, looks like we're down to 19. Down to the teens in Flawless. Martin Brodeur. Justin Thomas, white canvas. We got Pele. Not Pele the soccer player, but Pele the deity. Number 11, Polynesian deity. Low numbered. Should be an auto, right? It is! Oh, look at that! I see an inscription. 2-time? Oh, nice. 2-time world champ Ali Reisman. 30 of 50. That is sick. 30 of 50 Ali Reisman. 2-time world champ. Nice little inscription there. In last case, we didn't get any inscriptions. So we got one on this one. Third box. Good luck, man. We got Tommy Jones, mini. Vaughn Gittin Jr. There's Justin Gatlin mini. John Moonlight. LeBron James mini. Tom Glavine. Daniel Berger. What is that dummy card on the back? Missing base cards. Got your insert though. Gowdy. Joan of Arc. Camille LeBlanc Bassinet. Gowdy, Lindsey Vaughn. Patrick Waugh. Paige Von Zant. White canvas, Melissa Baker. Tony Acevedo. And Haley Anderson, your first hit. Haley Anderson. Well, you're going to get a patch. Good luck, man. Justin Gatlin, nice. Laundry tag. Premium patch. Justin Gatlin. Laundry tag. Not numbered on those. There you go, man. Another nice box. Misha Tate. Bret Hart and Michael Jordan white canvas. Got one more hit here. 2 packs. Martin Brodeur white canvas. And last pack. You got one of the deities. Eat, chill. Not going to be high numbered. 7. Mayan deity. 7. There you go, Scott. Appreciate it, man. 3 boxes of Goodwin.